Okay, this is Chief, a 7-year-old German Shepherd. This is the 9th of October 2011. You'll see what I mean when he exhibits this disease with the back legs. It first started about 6 months ago, where he started dragging his back feet a little bit. Then we started to see him trimming his nails then accidentally because of, see, look at the nail damage at the back. Just look at his back feet. Where he drags his feet to his front feet. Come on, buddy. So you get this swaying effect. And when he actually can run, he ends up doing this weird sort of hop. This is supposedly classic degenerative myelopathy found in German Shepherds and other large dog breeds from the age of about 5 or 6. Let's go. He doesn't actually, he's not aware of where he's putting his back feet, that's the problem.